Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shalini Agarwal. I'm a consultant in obstetrics and gynecology and I work in Max Hospital, Vaishali, Ghaziabad. Today I'll be talking a little bit about laparoscopy in gynecology. That means laparoscopic surgery in diseases or problems that are related to women. By laparoscopy surgery, some people even call it laser surgery, but it's actually not laser. It is something that we call keyhole surgery. By the term keyhole, what we mean to say is when the incision or the wound is as small as a little or as little as a keyhole is, or a very small incision. Whenever we talk about any kind of surgery, the first thing that comes to our mind is a big incision site or a big wound on any part of our body. The beauty or the main advantage to the patient of this particular type of surgery is that it can be done with an incision which is as small as 1 centimeter or even lesser in size. Many times we have different conditions or different problems that are going on in our body which require a surgical approach. Many problems can be treated through medicines, but sometimes surgery is the only way out. Now, for the patient, not only this small incision, much smaller than normal incision, means a better post-operative recovery, which means that in the time period after the surgery, the body recovers much faster. You're able to move that much earlier. In fact, even after 6 hours of surgery, you're able to get up and start doing and start walking around on your own. You recover much faster. You don't require the traditional 3 months of bed rest after surgery as it used to be required for surgeries much earlier. So, in terms of quality of life, laparoscopy surgery gives a much better advantage to the patient than a normal surgery can. Now, coming to the question as to which conditions in which conditions we can use laparoscopy surgery. I would say that in general, most of the conditions can be operated through a laparoscopic approach, whether it be fibroids, whether it be removal of the uterus for any conditions, whether it be ovarian cyst removals, infertility, endometriosis. There are a variety of different conditions which can be successfully operated by laparoscopy today. So, whenever you have any condition for which you require a surgery, you must make it a point to ask your doctor about the feasibility of using laparoscopy for doing that particular surgery. And if you have any such condition or if you require any such consultation of any kind, you can contact me on Librate online and we can discuss about the feasibility of using this approach.